chilling in a boat, yeah. Chilling in a boat, yeah, with cool gamer.
I'm playing some Pokemon Go.
Yeah. I got an audition at Egg on a boat. Yeah. I'm gonna take a photo.
Yeah, look, we've got a Clefairy. Yeah, Clefairy.
That's going on Instagram.
Oh my god, this is an invisible Clefairy.
Oh, oh, he got Clefairy. I don't have one, but he doesn't have Scyther. Oh no. We're leaning. Selfie. We're gonna take another photo. That's going on Instagram.
Everyone let me. 1, 2, 3, wave and smile.
Photo time.
Look at me. Kate, look at me.
Hello. Okay, there we go. The water's sparkling. Oh, Ethan's moving. The boat is moving. And Liliana are rowing. Oh, that looks like an edit, look.
Right, you finished now? Shall I take over or do you want to carry on rowing?
Chilling in a boat. Don't know what to do.
Right, one at a time, okay? So
Look, there's a shark.
And if you're going to stay there till
We're wobbling, we're wobbling. This is fun.
I'm
We're gonna get some ice cream after this.
Yeah, ice cream, bro.
Ice cream is life. Oh my god! Oh, we were really on the side. Oh my god!
If you possibly hear this and we've drowned to death.
Okay, we're good, we're good. Mom, I love you! Oh, that is a nice photo. I need to get that in.
Yes. That's a nice photo.
I'm sorry for taking so many photos. There. I'm gonna end the video here.
Have to pee.
I don't know why.
I'm going to.
Yeah, I'm level 16 on Pokemon Go. He's evolving into Metapod, right?
Yeah. So this is how you evolve Caterpie with 12 candies.
Yeah. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay. Bye. Bye. Have a great time. Be fun.
Bye. Have a good time.
He's cool. His name is Cool Gamer. Go sub to him. Okay. Bye.